What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. As you can see, I'm on the trades here. Guys, I know I'm not supposed to be trading, but I just had to take this opportunity, you know. Okay, so I'm just doing this so that also sharing this video so that I can show you what's going on in the market, right? So this thing is simple, man. Look at the master entry right over there at the top. Look at that key, man. That's very, very, very interesting. Okay, so let me announce. Because I receive a lot of messages and a lot of people asking me about the Rockstar challenge. So let me explain it. What happens is this thing, I'm doing it so that I can enlighten people's eyes and so that people can partake in my Forex journey as a profitable trader. If you have my WhatsApp number, you saw in the morning that I did talk about, schemes that brokers are doing, It's my way of trying to enlighten people. So guys, this is the thing. When it comes to the Rockstar Challenge, what happens is, in the morning before markets, before the opening of the London session, right, I analyze the charts with you. If you are my mentee or my student and you want to be a part of the Rockstar Challenge, I analyze the charts with you. That's information I'll be giving you. How I look at the charts, number one. Number two, I will tell you what I'll be looking for during the course of the day in the market. Then the third thing is, when trades are triggered or when I'm taking trades, I send you an alert, not to tell you to follow me, but to also alert you to tell you that this is the trade that I'm taking. And I only analyze, I look at maybe a maximum of 6 pairs a day. I can go to 8, but a 6 is my good number. And I only take about 3 trades a day, that's the maximum pairs I trade in a day. 3 pairs a day. Look, for instance, in this instance, this is only one trade that was taken, and I've caught about how many, 149 pips or so, because each trade has got 75 pips or so. I mean, it is what it is. So if you are to double your account with one trade, why necessarily should you take more trades? So simplify your thing, keep it simple. That's how I'll be doing it, basically. So I mean, you have to attend my beginner session every Saturday, and then we can edge you on now to the challenge where you'll be taking trades with me and so forth and so forth. So it's that simple, guys. Remember, keep Forex simple. You will never have problems. I'm trying my best to liberate people, to empower people, and it's your role now to take the charge. I mean, take the opportunity and also make moves. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I'm signing out.